We'll guide you through how to put an iPad into recovery mode. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So perhaps you're facing some type of problem and you're wanting to go and put it into recovery mode to go and continue and do a restore on your computer. We're going to guide you through how this is done, so make sure it is full guide and don't skip ahead. So first of all, what you need to do is go and grab your cable. Plug one end into your computer and the other end into the iPad. Now what you can do is, you can do this with the screens currently on or off, it doesn't matter. You want to go and have your iPad, so you've got the rockers in the top left here. Press the one on the left, then the one on the right, and tap and hold the side button, like that. Do that quickly and consecutively. Now just go and keep that button held down. I'll let you know when you can go and release it. Shortly the screen's going to go black. And keep it held down, you can see the Apple icon, and then you can release when you see this screen here, and you can continue on your computer. If you found this useful, then leave a like.